So here's Ed Diaz.
Hey guys, just want to let you know a couple things. One, this is totally unrehearsed. We're here at the Palace Hotel in San Francisco. Again, this is Ed Diaz with Bank Home Loans. And so Jason approached me about a week ago to talk to me about, what kind of new products are coming out in the market. And one of the products that kind of catched his eye, or his ear in this case, as we were on the phone, was our equity participation program. Quite frankly, most people don't even know that this exists, and once we tell them about it, they're like, no way. They don't want to believe it. So here's what's going on. We all know, right, that property values are going through the roof. So a lot of times what that creates is it creates a stress on the wallet. And what that means is people are having a hard time coming up with 20% down payment, for example, to avoid having to pay that big hefty monthly PMI or private mortgage insurance. So there is an equity participation program that actually was birthed here in San Francisco that they will match your down payment. So let's say, for example, you have 10%, right? They will match the other 10%. So you have, in essence, 20% down. It's not considered a loan, so guess what? You never make payments on it. Yes, they're going to want a piece of the pie once you sell the property, but guess what? You don't have to sell the property for even 30 years. After 30 years, they're going to want their money back. Most people are staying in their homes for 5 to 7. So let's say in 5 to 7 years, you sell the property and you have a gain of $400,000, for example, they're going to want a piece of that. But here's what I say. Isn't it better to get a piece of something and get 100% of nothing? And that's the whole premise of this program, is now that property values are going up, this gives you additional horsepower. So even if you have the 20% down, think about this. Put 10%, they match the 20%, and use the extra 10% to maybe renovate the property and increase the value of the property right off the bat. I have a lot more ideas where that came from, but I wanted just to do this impromptu little interview here for Jason, because he's one of my valued referral partners. So thanks again for listening in.
Thanks, Ed. Take care.